Hi, this is Sajid Saifian introducing bsuits365 powered by BSUPERIOR System. bsuits365 offers Excel programming and customization to small, medium, and large businesses. By automating Excel, companies can save time and money through eliminating tasks and repetitive entries. bsuits365 will help you automate day-to-day operations. There's a lot of manual entries and repetitive tasks when using Excel and entering data. bsuits365, through macro and VBA programming, can help companies automate and eliminate these tasks so that you can focus on what matters most. bsuits365 offers a wide range of services, from programming, development, to automation, analysis and visualization, all the way to support. At bsuits365, we work with our clients closely. We provide a wide range of reports on the progress of the project, and we always keep you informed and up to date. We provide our first-time clients a money-back guarantee to ensure the best experience. If you need more information, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to explore your project and offer you a free estimate. Thank you for watching this video.